So guys, good morning. So I will Hello everyone. This is May de los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel, and I hope you like it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. So guys, good morning. I would like to introduce you the the one I order for the kids that I will give away. I will give for Sahira's birthday for the boys, because for the girls is already there, and I will show you. So let's open this one. I never open it. Then yeah, never opened it. So it's 40 pieces. This is a car. Wait, okay, I have an order come. So finally I'm back. So this one there is for, what do you call that? For the classmate of Sahira that she is in Manito. So I already get her wish list. So she want a robot, and I cannot find a good robot in town. So I prefer to order. So yeah. So let's see what is this. So I have something in my TikTok, but sometimes I'm tired to do video so I will order, then I will video by myself. I will put in my YT, that's it. So this one there is a robot car robot. And so let's see. Oh, so it's a car, but it's going to be a robot. I don't know how to fix it. I will live like this. So this one is, guys, is 69, but shipping fee is not free, so I paid shipping fee is 100 something, so 120 something like that. I don't know, 120 or 90, just like that. So it's good. So I will put this one to her bag. You will see, because I will do live soon. Okay. So yeah, so everything in Sahira's Manito is already complete. So let's come here. So back then, so I don't have money, but I always order. I'm poor person. Yeah. So let's take a look. My God. So for the girls, they have hair tie, and the boys is a car toy for Fully wrap talaga siya, guys. Cute one. So this is the toys that I will give away. So they have a big car, 41 pieces. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. I don't know what's this. Karing push. So I have a lot of toys that I will put in the bag for the boys for the birthday of Sahira in school. So yeah, because it's not really what you call that nice that I will give them. So this is it. Is for the girls that I will give away for the birthday of Sahira. I will put in the, what you call that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. So let's see how many girls, and one pouch will be have one like this, because my plan is to give it two, but our my order is not, I'm not sure that it's not enough. So if I order now, it will be take long time, so it's okay, I just let him be. So maybe five girls, then two of this. So I will show you because I will do live. So thank you for watching my unboxing. So my video is unboxing sometimes, and my video sometimes is go out with kids, travel, but now we decided to stay home. So order for now is unboxing. So thank you for watching, and don't forget, if you want something to order, you can go to my TikTok account. So it's there. So my life there is not what you call that. I'm not playing around there. I try to sell something, but if I don't sell, it's okay, because it's my personal use. That what I show of my video, like this one. is the personal use. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye. Hi guys, so thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like it. And this is May de Los Santos Hokokera. So enjoy your life, guys, with your family, and I will say bye bye. See you.